YouTube. So first of all, thank you so much, every one of you, for helping me to reach this as a kid. This was like really my dream. I already started YouTube in 2016, but I had multiple channels, and the most subscribers that I ever got was like 90 subscribers, but now we are already at 180,000. So you guys are really helping me, and thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for everything. So let's just not wait anymore and take the box that I got. So when it arrives, it looks like this with the YouTube logo, but they put like stickers on it. I was actually in London. I was on vacation there with my grandmother and my grandfather for my sister. So that's why I wasn't posting. Okay, now I already cut this off with the scissors because I'm not very handy, and otherwise it will be too loud. So let's just open it. See what's inside. I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm very excited. Hope I don't drop it. No. So this is the inside. First of all, there's this thing. So let's just do some ASMR with that. It's probably to protect the play button, and there's also a letter in it, I see. I have seen a lot of YouTubers unboxing their video, but I've never unboxing their silver play button, sorry. But I've never seen an ASMR artist doing it. There are probably videos of ASMR artists unboxing their silver play buttons, but I just haven't seen it yet. Excited just to see the play button. But now there's here a little card. I'm just gonna read it for you. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. I want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by great care by Rick. Rick, thank you so much for inspecting and packaging my silver play button. I know who Rick is, I saw a video about him. Okay, let's just put this away. You can have a closer look. Okay, now there's a big letter, and I already see the silver play button underneath it. That's from YouTube, of course. Let's also read this. It's a long letter. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your artwork and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are others out here who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether you have come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them. Just as your growing community continues to inspire you, we can't wait to see what you do next. I will be with you every step of the way. You're sincerely, and it's like a name. It's the CEO of YouTube.